So I realize that edging is probably not one of the first things you think of when it comes to improving the visual appeal of your yard, but it really can be one of the most impactful done-in-a-weekend projects that you can undertake. Creating a clear border or distinction between your lawn space and landscape beds increases the appeal of your entire yard, making it a more relaxing, inviting space for you and your family and friends to spend time in. There are a number of ways that you can give your landscape beds that nice, clean edge. So today we're going to look at several edging methods, including their pros and cons, so that you can make the right choice for you and your outdoor spaces. Perhaps the easiest, most natural looking, and definitely the cheapest option is simply having a spade cut edge. It's what I have in my own yard and what I often recommend to clients. Once you have your narrow trench cut, your mulch is really going to do the rest of the work for you as far as keeping a nice clean edge. From there, all you'll need to do is periodically maintain it with a blower or string trimmer, and then when you replace the mulch, you'll want to revisit the trench and possibly dig it back out. If you're looking for a little more definition than a spade cut edge offers, a versatile, easy to install option is bendable strips. Available in a variety of styles and materials, from metal to bender board or recycled plastic, bendable strips are a good, easily accessible edging option. Be careful though, these strips can tend to pop up out of place at times. Not only is this unsightly, it's also potentially hazardous while walking through or mowing your yard. Wooden products like landscape timbers and cedar edging are also popular choices among homeowners who want a natural but still finished look. Cedar edging is easy to install and can often accommodate bends and curves in a bed edge. Landscape timbers are a durable, long-lasting, and relatively inexpensive choice for edging square or rectangular beds. Although more expensive than some of your other options, natural stone is a durable, visually appealing material that can be used for a wide range of landscape bed types. While you might find sourcing local stone easy enough, when used as an edging material, it's not quite so easy. For one, there's a lot of heavy lifting involved. It's also surprisingly challenging to imitate nature, so you may find that it takes a few tries to achieve the look you want when edging with it. Take the time to do it right, however, and stone edging can take the overall look of your yard from simply good to great. Concrete, bricks, and pavers are other options to consider for edging your beds. Concrete is a durable, low-maintenance option that works well in areas that receive high traffic, such as an entryway. Bricks and pavers are popular options, as a variety of available finishes can help you achieve a wide range of finish looks, from modern to rustic, and the construction of some make installation easier. While bricks and pavers can work well for both straight and angled or curved borders, mortaring them takes a certain amount of masonry skill to install them with the consistency necessary for a professional appearance. That said, using bricks or pavers to edge beds with relatively straight runs or 90-degree corners is easier to do for the average DIY homeowner. Regardless of the type of border or edging material you choose, it's not going to maintain itself. It will still need to be maintained with an edger or string trimmer to keep that nice clean edge, but having a border in place will just make it that much easier. Once you've installed your border, it's time to add mulch to the bed. Learn more about choosing the right mulch for your beds in Exmark's So Mulch to Consider video at weareexmark.com. Installing a well-defined edge around your landscape beds not only keeps grass and mulch in their respective places, but also gives your beds a tidy, cohesive appearance. It's a great example of how a little bit of sweat equity up front can reward you with an instant bump in your yard's curb appeal. Well, I hope watching this video has helped and encouraged you to take your landscape beds to the next level. And as always, please check us out at weareexmark.com for more done-in-a-weekend project ideas. Until next time, be well and enjoy your time outdoors.